zoom lens like that, you don't need to get that close. And he scared another one away. And he wants to scare this one away too. I'm probably about half a mile away filming this. See, that guy could easily just stand 100 feet away and take a nice picture.
On the trail, eh? Not disturbing the wildlife.
You know, we watched you scare about 10 owls down there.
Yeah. You're a special
You know what
guy.
the signs say?
Yeah. You're a special guy? Why are you going to do that? No, why are you going to do that?
You're not supposed to be down there.
You're not supposed to be down there.
Okay, I didn't know. It's first time I'm here, okay?
You didn't read the signs?
No, where?
They're everywhere, all around here.
Okay.
You don't disturb them.
Okay, okay. No, don't say okay.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Sorry about that.
Don't be sorry to me.
Sorry to me.
Okay, don't.
Yeah, it's one thing to walk down there, but to scare all the owls.
You're affecting the owls.
Okay, okay.
Don't say okay so easily. You should reformat your memory cards. What you should do.
So you're going to probably sell them, aren't you?
More.
What's that?
You think you can do whatever you want?
Well,
You
they're
have this attitude
special
like it
people,
doesn't matter.
You want to get on time with, so I'm showing it to you. Okay. You want to take time and read it?